All right, it's summer, it's hot, no one wants to cook. These little guys are always available at the grocery store. Let me show you what we do with a rotisserie chicken and keep it cold and keep multiple family members happy. And listen, you almost get a restaurant set up out of this. Lots of bonus points here. Let's join me in the kitchen and see what we're doing with this rotisserie chicken. Okay, now I'm gonna lay it out on the counter and put the chicken and the dressings in the middle. And that's how we'll serve it. So I will get the camera down, take close-ups of both of them, and then the full shot so you guys can see what we're doing. Thank you so much for being here in the kitchen tonight. I hope I've helped you spark some ideas of putting together just some quick salads for your family. They're very good and they're very easy to do, and you're not heating up your kitchen. But with a little presentation, you're making it, just adding that little extra for your fam. Sparks of love in there, right? So I really do appreciate you staying with me. I hope you have a great night. I hope you come back again. If you do, will you hit that like button on your way out and hit subscribe, and I will send you, after showcasing all of this, I will send you out for a Zen moment. Have a great one. Happy salads, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye. All right, here we go. Let's see the finished right before the family digs in. Here we go. We are all set up. So like I said, here we're gonna have Greek on this side. And then of course you have your chicken. I need to put a fork in there. And then on this side is a farm fresh olives, blueberries, cranberries, strawberries, some wonderful poppy seed dressing, and all with some chicken on top. Super quick. So I'm so excited to have you in the kitchen and show you how easy it is to take one rotisserie chicken and make two completely different smorgasbords for your family. Super easy. Two wonderful salads, two completely different styles, and just set up with love. Love you too. All right, neighbors, see you later. Have a good one. Bye. Special shout out to Bestie.